Oh, I didn't see you there. Why meditate? Well, in this video, I'm going over the benefits of meditating every day coming up. If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find helpful discussional videos to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links in the show notes in the video description about today's topic, okay? Let's begin. Meditation is a good way to train your mind when the going gets tough. It helps you master and control your emotions, and it can help you have that ability to withstand most, if not all, types of stress. And speaking of stress can actually make you make bad decisions. Practicing meditation can help you think things through, preventing you to make those type of mistakes. Oh shit, my notes fell, which leads me to the next benefit, that meditation helps reduce stress. I mean, it is a given, right? When you train your mind to have these good thoughts, your body tends to be more relaxed. And if you do it right, you will have something what I like to call meditation high. Stress? When you're on that meditation high, who has time for that? Meditation can boost creativity. When your mind is clear after meditating, you'll be able to focus on your task and even see a brand new perspective and come up with fresh new ideas. And who knows, you might actually surprise yourself. But when you really think about it, meditation actually boosts your focus and your problem solving skills. That's like two bonus ones right there. So the fourth one will
actually, it won't be the fourth one because those last bonus two. So it will be like 6. But then I can't say 5 if I'm delivering more than 5, unless I actually at the end be like, haha, surprise, and then let out like an evil laugh. Or maybe.
Before I go off on a friggin' tangent, meditation actually boosts your love and empathy in relationships. So there's something called love-kindness meditation, where the person builds a sense of love and admiration of all living things. Doing this can help build self-acceptance, empathizing with others, building social support, and other positive effects towards people. Meditation can also help with your anxiety and help you find peace. It's okay to worry sometimes. However, it's not okay to have those worries consume you. Meditation can help reduce those anxiety levels. The more you practice it, the more you do it, you'll find yourself in Zen mode. And the cool thing is, meditation doesn't have to take like so much time. If you have 3 minutes daily of just pure silence, where you can just be one with yourself and in tune with yourself, just pure silence. Or if you prefer to have like some very calming music, or maybe like some like sound effects that will help you like tranquil and just kind of like have that nice moment, if that makes sense. The point where I'm getting is, the more you practice it, the better you'll get, and the more amazing you'll feel, and I'm pretty sure that you'll be happy you started. Practicing medication. You want to take some meds? My eyes, I can't see the sky. To improve your self-care and discussional topics. Okay. Oh, I didn't see you there. Why meditate? Well, today